Hi everyone, it's Sunday and I'm kicking off my outfit of the day with a new sweater from Stitch Fix. So, I forget who this is by already, but I got this from Stitch Fix. It has the ruffle sleeves. It's a rib knit style, so it's a little bit more form-fitting, not tight in any way. As you can see, there's room here, but it is a little bit more body conscious. I love this color. I love this sweater. I was actually looking for kind of a tealish color sweater because mine I put to bed after many years, and I was looking for a replacement. I decided to wear these with my neglected level 99 leopard embossed joggers. I don't know if you can see this or not. It's very, very subtle. They're black, but then they have like a shiny black coating on them in a leopard pattern. I got these from Poshmark and they were under 30 bucks because that's all I'm willing to risk with Poshmark. I love level 99. If you like this name brand too, I find there's a ton load of it on Poshmark. I just paired it with my mules because one, I'm lazy and I plan to kick these off in a minute, and yeah, that's basically it. One, I'm lazy and I plan to kick these off and go barefoot because I'm not going anywhere today. So what am I up to today? What am I doing? It is a dreary day outside and it's supposed to have tremendous rainstorms ahead of us between today and tomorrow. I went to the gym this morning, knocked out my birthday workout. Tomorrow is my actual birthday, but I am not going to the gym. I plan on sleeping late. I plan on being a glutton and just taking it easy. Today, I'm expecting my front door fashion. I am super excited to get a box, open it up, see what I might want to purchase for my birthday. And yeah, that's what I plan to do today. I'm super excited about that. Can't wait for the FedEx guy to come. And this is my outfit and what am I doing today from hanging out at home. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, it is Monday, December 11th, and it's my birthday today. So what am I up to? Well, I took the day off of work because I don't want to work on my birthday. Who does? It's a Monday though. My daughter's still at college and we're gonna wait for her to do the official celebration when she comes back. She should be back on Wednesday and we're gonna go out Friday night. I know it's not exciting to a lot of people, but I like the Cheesecake Factory. I don't get to eat decadent food that much, so going there and getting a disgusting burger and fries and a couple different pieces of cheesecake to split up, that is exciting to me because I don't get that often. And because I'm always, watching what I eat. So that's what we're gonna do on Friday for my birthday. I think my husband and I decided today, because we kind of kept it up in the air because the weather was just awful outside. It looks like it stopped raining for now, and we might take a drive to a Mexican restaurant. It's Tex-Mex, it's very casual, and just have lunch there. It usually is like a madhouse with a line out the door, but lunchtime, I don't expect it to be bad, especially this time of year on a Monday. So yeah, that's something new and different to me too. Again, not really eating on plan today, so yeah, I'm gonna have like probably fajitas. I'm thinking I'll check out what the menu has. So what am I wearing for my birthday? All right, I'm wearing things that are all new to me today. So this is a White House Black Market sleeveless, and I have to wear my sweater over it because you can see my bra straps here. Sleeveless little tank top. And of course I always have to pair something on top anyway because I'd be freezing to death without another layer on. And this is a loft little black cardigan sweater. With it I have pair of black velvet White House Black Market boot cut jean style pants. They have the patch pockets here in the back and the 5 pocket styling in the front, but they are black velvet. That makes them a little bit dressier, along with, and these I got from Poshmark. All right, probably spent about 30 bucks on them at most because I don't spend more than that on Poshmark. And I also have a pair of black Vince Camuto shoes. Oh, just to let people know, I've had actually very good success on Poshmark. First place, I only buy new with tags. Second, I only buy brands that I know that tend to fit me well and I'm familiar with. And yeah, I can't say I'm a huge Poshmark shopper, but I think I probably purchased about 10 or so things from there. And out of the 10 things, only one didn't work out and I gave it to a friend. So a 90% rate for things that are $30 and under, I think it's pretty good. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, welcome to another day. Today is Tuesday. I'm back at work today. Went to the gym, came home, took care of the bunny, ate my sandwich, showered. Here I am. And because I don't want to be at work today, I decided to wear a comfy casual outfit. So first up is this sweater that I've had for many years now, and it's starting to show a little wear. Not horrific, but it's not looking new anymore. It is by Ever Eve. It's one of their in-house brands. I believe it's Roan and Ryan when they were around, but they don't even produce those brands anymore. They just stick with the Ever Eve brand. It's the kind of like shorter cropped sweater, and underneath it I have actually an Ever Eve tank top, which is like an off-white color, and I think also seen better days. So I think I'm gonna keep the sweater, but I'm gonna retire the tank top and start looking for new tank tops to wear in ivory and white for this coming summer. On the bottom, I have paired on my Sanctuary cargo joggers, which, did I get these from Trendsend? Yes, I think I got these. Yes, I got these from a Trendsend. I do like these, but they're extremely, extremely large. But like I said, I'm okay because today I am working from home. I wanted to be comfy and casual. And with it, I have paired on my Steve Madden slides that I got from the Nordstrom anniversary sale 2 years ago, 3 years ago. It's been a while. Yeah, so here's my lazy, comfy outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, it is Wednesday and I'm in a pretty good mood today because tomorrow is my Friday. I have off this coming Friday, so I'm just thinking about just getting through this work week, and then I have a 4-day work week next week, and then I'm off for the rest of the year. So what am I wearing today? Again, work from home, not going anywhere. May run to the grocery store to pick up a prescription. This is my outfit for today. I am wearing this pink PINQUE top from a Stitch Fix. At least I'm pretty sure it's pink. It has this crisscross detail in the back, a little bit different than that Mia back detail top, but still the same type of concept. This one is a ribbed, slim fitting fabric and a V-neck, a modest V-neck. And with it, I have paired my velvet pants from the company called And Other Stories. I was never familiar with this. It turns out they're owned by H&M, but they're a little bit better quality than what H&M produces. I got these at Nordstrom a couple years ago on clearance for like 30 bucks. I'm happy with them. They're like a legging style. They're velvet, they're stretched. They have a slit here at the side. And I have them paired with my Vince Camuto booties that I got from my Stitch Fix. Actually, I got it directly from Freestyle, not Stitch Fix. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Thursday, which is really my Friday because I have off tomorrow. Working from home, my daughter is home, so I'm trying to be a little bit quiet while I film because she's sleeping upstairs still. So what am I wearing today? An oldie but a goodie. So this jacket, or blazer I should say, is J. Crew Factory along with this top. It's a sweater, it's a sleeveless turtleneck. You know, I like these for layering. With it, I paired my white Democracy straight leg jeans, and I have on my something navy boots that I purchased, God, probably 2017, maybe even before I lost the weight. These are quite old. I got them at Nordstrom. It's their own name brand. And I remember getting them on sale when they finally went on sale in a wide leg, which is typically what I need is the wide calf and boots. Not always, but sometimes. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Friday and I have off from work and I'm off from the gym. What am I doing today? Well, I'm about to run out to the store to do my food shopping. After I do food shopping, I plan to go to the mall with my daughter to buy some shoes, buy a bra at Soma, buy new eyeliner at Sephora, and buy my husband some lotion for his stocking for Christmas. He has very dry hands, looking for a good hand lotion. What am I wearing today? I got inspired by this outfit by my front door fashion. So the skirt I just got in my recent front door fashion, it's by Vince Camuto. And it's more of a kind of sexy skirt. And my reason why I was inspired by this look is my stylist suggested wearing it with a longer cardigan she sent and black boots to kind of dress it down. Didn't occur to me to do that, believe it or not. I did not keep the cardigan she sent, so I decided to keep it with the cardigan that I already own. This cardigan is from Ever Eve. I got it in a Trendsend years ago, probably circa 2018, 2019, somewhere around there. And I have the ruche style Vince Camuto skirt. Like I said, it's kind of a sexy skirt with the ruching and the slit. And I paired them with some tights and some tall boots. And this is my outfit for today for going shopping, food shopping, going to the mall, going to the eye doctor after that, and then celebrating my birthday, belated birthday, with my family. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Saturday and it's 11:30 in the morning. So last night went out to dinner with my family. I had a very busy day yesterday between shopping with my daughter, the eye doctor, and then dinner with the family. Today, I got up, went to the gym. It was just a lifting class, no running today. After that, I came home, made all my peppers, took my shower. Here I am, you know. What am I wearing? I'm wearing this Michael Stars top that I got from a Trendsend. Love this top. It is a turtleneck, but I think it's a fitted style and quite unique. I paired it with my black longer jeans that have the seam down here from White House Black Market. They're like not a traditional 5-pocket styling, but they do have the 5-pocket styling. So it's like almost like a curved here, patch pockets in the back. And again, it has all that seam detail here down the front. These I felt run true to size. I do have to wear a heel with them. I did not get the petite, but if I got the petite, they would have been too short. And I paired it with this Amazon belt. I'm not sure if it's too much, but the reason why I'm wearing this outfit, I'm actually going out to dinner tonight with friends. We're probably leaving here around, I think 4:30, 4:15. So I didn't feel like getting dressed in one outfit for 4 hours to only switch out to another outfit, because I'm not doing anything between now and then, just hanging around the house. So I just figured I'd put this on. I'm gonna look back at the footage to see if the belt is too much with this outfit, but I wanted to look a little bit dressy. For my third layer, which I'll probably take off at dinner, I have this blank NYC fur line moto. This is like a 4-in-1 moto. The fur comes out and can be worn as a vest. But right now, I can get this on. There it goes. I'll keep the vest in, and it's a nice little furry vest. Moto jacket. Love this jacket. It's now getting cold enough I can start wearing this one again. And yeah, this is what my outfit for today is for going out to dinner tonight with friends. Take care and see you tomorrow. Oh, you won't see me tomorrow. Today's Saturday. Take care and see you next week. Take care. Bye.